My dear friends, tomorrow is the 27th of December, and tomorrow we have the Shillong Chamber Choir performing on the lawns of the Sea Cathedral. In view of this, tomorrow the veneration of the sacred relics will close early. The main gate of entry for veneration will be closed at 5 o'clock instead of 6 o'clock in the evening. The show will begin at 7 o'clock in the evening and will go up to 10 o'clock. It is a 3-hour show. The entry for the show is free, but I request all those who would like to come for the show, please be seated in your places at least by 6:45. The gates for the show will be opened at 5:30 in the evening. So you are most welcome to come and occupy the places which will be on first come, first serve basis. The Shillong Chamber Choir, as we know, is a world famous choir. Tomorrow they will be performing here with us some Christmas carols, also some hymns, biblical hymns, for which they are very famous for. Since this is a spiritual program, a religious program, we are in the mood of Christmas. It will be more Christmas carols and other religious hymns. So you are most welcome to come and watch this performance.